Okay, we're gonna go see Granny after we fed her that yummy stuff. Remember that? Let's go. Now remember, she was in the taxi and then we got in a big car crash. Let's go. Okay, where did we leave Granny? Oh, there she is. Yeah. I think Granny wants a bit more to eat. Oh, it smells yummy. You want some more food, Granny? Want some more? Yeah, I definitely want more. Oh, maple syrup? You're lucky. And yogurt. Oh, let me give her one. She's such a lucky lady. Oh, it made a yummy sound. Okay, let's put it in your mouth, Granny. There you go. Can you swallow it? Ew, I got all my shoes, Sabrina. Oh, well, I guess my shoe is a little bit hungry too. What else we got there? It looks like bark. I want to put that on it. Oh, I got some yummy in a jar. Oh, and some more maple syrup. Don't put it on Granny. She's having her feast. Okay, there's her mouth. Let's put it in. Oh, no. Ew, Sabrina, don't get it on my head. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Yum.
Whatever this is. And whatever
looks like ketchup. Oh, let's look at Granny. She looks hot. She likes her food, but she got a little sick after.
Ranch.
And she missed the toilet.
More ranch.
You want some ranch sauce? Oh, yum. You've got to get it in her mouth, Sabrina. Okay. Guess her head's close enough. Ugh, yum. What are we at? 3:28. Okay. Oh, yum. Oh, and some more yogurt. That's yummy. Do you have any more eggs?
No. We're out.
Come here, Granny.
Whatever this is. What is it?
It looks like beef.
I think it's cheese. Ew.
I'm gonna pee myself. What is it?
And some more. This is brand new.
Oh, yummy. I want to put it on her.
Missed. Makes Granny nice and slimy.
Good. Granny got her ring stuck on her, so we need to give her some butter to put it off. No!
What's up?
No, Sabrina, it goes on Granny, remember?
Okay. Granny?
That's the car crash scene. Oh, look at Granny. Let's put her in the box. to put her on the box so we can examine her. Ew, Sabrina, it's like barf.
It feels really cool.
She got in trouble, so we have to spank her bum. Turn her over so we can see.
Let's bring over the cheese.
Cheese? We have cheese? Oh, yum. Eat the cheese.
Yummy. It feels so good when you squish it up in your chest. Yummy. Don't you?
Okay, I want to get a close up at Granny. Stop it.
Let's take off Granny's clothes.
Okay.
It's getting a little hot in
She's
here.
a little porno.
Ew, look at Granny. Ew.
It's show and tell, kids.
Look at it. What's on? Ew.
It's chunky.
Ew.
Leave her underwear on, please.
No thanks, they're too gross. Ew, she's really heavy. Ew, she's so gross. Ew.
We should like get an axe or saw and like saw it open.
One pair of Granny pants.
Oh, Sabrina. No, I want to turn her over so we can examine her.
Hey, turn her over.
Okay. Now, small children and old people may be offended by this.
Granny, can you breathe? Let's just get you talking again. Oh. Ew.
We should go like put her in some mud. Oh, Sabrina, put her in here. In the hot peppers. I found some mayonnaise.
Where's the mayonnaise?
Here, I'll get a mayonnaise. I'll look
at
at
her
it.
bum because she's been a very bad goof.
Okay. We're gonna mayonnaise her butt. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. Ooh. Look at this. That's nice. What are we at? 7:48. We got like 2 minutes. Let's put mayonnaise on her ass.
Okay. This yum. It feels so good. Do you want to try?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ready?
How do you?
Hand's stuck.
Her hand's stuck in the mayonnaise.
Let's pull this out.
Okay. No, thanks. It's gonna squirt everywhere.
Seriously, it's stuck.
Her hand's stuck in the mayonnaise jar. Oh, she got it out. Now, what are we gonna do? We need to help Paulette get all nice and clean. Oh, she got the mayonnaise all over herself. Oh, I think she gave Paulette a big hug.
Do I need a bath?
She looks like a snowman.
Mayonnaise?
Okay, we need to find a hose. Oh, she's got mayonnaise all over her sweater. Okay, where's the hose? Sabrina, where's your hose? Where is it?
What?
How much time we got left? Oh, we got like half a minute. Oh, let's close up on Sabrina. Please don't get it on me, I'm serious.
Then open up the door.
Okay, I'm opening up the door. I don't know how I'm going to do this though. Oh, it's open. Sabrina, no! Okay, now we're in the store, but we've only got like 5 seconds left, so toodles!